Hi friends, welcome to Konexio Technical Insight. I am Rahul Randeria and I would be conducting today's show. Once again, I would like to wish you all a happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. Today, we would be discussing regarding the trends, the setups, the technical indicators, the derivative data of Nifty, Bank Nifty, as well as the different asset classes. Now, just a general disclaimer, this video is just only for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor before investing or trading. Now let us discuss what we have mentioned in our last video. In our last video, we have mentioned that the recovery in the markets seems to be very sharp. Any dips should be used as a buying opportunity, and the bulls have started tightening its grip on the markets slowly and gradually. So, looking at the charts, we had a view that any dips for was a buying opportunity, and Nifty might scale higher slowly and gradually in the coming days. And definitely, market performed on our expected lines and ended on a positive note on weekly basis. So now, friends, let us directly go to the Nifty daily charts, and we'll try to figure out what could be the trend for the next week. Now, next week is a truncated week because a New Year holiday. So market might trade with positive bias. So friends, let us go to the Nifty daily charts and we'll try to figure out what could be the trend for the next week. So let us analyze the Nifty daily charts. Now this is the Nifty daily charts. It has been moving in a small upward rising channel. Let me draw you that particular channel so that we will have a clear view regarding the trend in the Nifty. And this trend line resistance and support has been maintained since last couple of trading sessions. The chart seems to be positive at this juncture. It is on the midway of this particular rising channel. This is the daily charts. The candle is bullish on the daily charts, you can clearly see. Now let us go to the weekly charts so that we might have a larger degree view on the Nifty. This is the Nifty weekly charts. You can clearly see it has ended on a positive note, but still it is an inside week candle, which was you can clearly see this big red candle. Still, Nifty has not managed to cross those levels, and those highs are 19,556. But looking at this weekly pattern, we feel that the momentum is still positive, and market might trade positive from these levels also. So definitely the trend seems to be positive. But as I said, next week is a truncated week because of the New Year holiday. So next week could be the challenging one. We might see high volatility in the markets, and definitely uh, the undertone of the market seems to be positive at this juncture. So any dips should be used as a buying opportunity. So friends, now let us discuss the important supports and resistance level in Nifty for the next week. The first support in the Nifty is placed around 19,302, 19,309. Below that, the second support is placed at 19,210, and third support is placed at 19,064. Whereas on the upside, the first resistance is placed at 19,555. Above that, the second resistance is placed at 19,635, and about that, the final resistance for the week is around 19,777. These are the important supports and resistance level in Nifty for the next week. Traders should try to watch out these levels and trade in the direction of the primary trend, and the primary trend is positive. Any dips should be used as a buying opportunity. So friends, now let us discuss the derivative data of Nifty call charts. You will see on the screen in Nifty calls, the action was seen in 19,500 calls, then 19,600 calls, 19,700 calls, and 19,800 calls. Now here you can see there's a rise in the volumes, rise in the open interest. Impact volatility is low between 8.71 and 8.43 and 8.71. The drop in the option premium is minor. So definitely at this juncture, the Nifty call data seems to be positive. There is no disruption, or there is not any kind of a weakness seen in this particular data. But looking at the volumes and open interest, we feel that 19,500 could act as an immediate resistance. Once Nifty closes above 19,500 next week, then it has potential to test the levels of 19,800 to 19,900. So definitely looking at this particular data, we feel the trend seems to be positive. Now, friends, let us discuss the Nifty put data. In Nifty puts, you will see the action was seen in 19,400 puts, then 19,300 puts, 19,200 puts, and 19,100 puts. Now here you can see there is a small drop in option premiums. Impact volatility is in comfort zone between 8.05 to 9.46. There has been a rise in the open interest, rise in the volumes. So looking at this particular data, we feel that small put writing has been seen. So the data is still positive, but 19,400 could act as an immediate support in Nifty. If it breaks, then only there are chances that Nifty might slip down to the levels of 19,200 to 19,150. But the overall data of Nifty calls and puts seems to be positive. So we don't think any huge uh, uh, drop seen in the Nifty at this juncture until and unless Nifty trades and closes above 19,400 mark. So overall, the data chart data of charts and derivative data of Nifty seems to be positive. So any dips should be used as a buying opportunity. So friend, now let us directly go to the Bank Nifty daily charts. You will see on the screen a Bank Nifty daily chart has also been moving into the positive trajectory. It has been moving upwards since last couple of trading sessions. The trend seems to be bullish at this juncture. You will see on the daily charts that the bulls are trying to uh, uh, get hold of the market slowly and gradually. Now let me draw a rising channel in Bank Nifty also, so that we will have a clear view. Now you can see this is a rising channel. Bank Nifty is also moving in this particular channel, so it seems to be positive, and any dips should be used as a buying opportunity. Definitely, the setup of the charts is poised and it has potential to test the upward resistance trend line, which is almost coming around, say, 44,500 to 44,800 in coming trading sessions. So, looking at this particular charts, we feel the trend is seems to be positive. Any dips should be used as a buying opportunity. So, friends, let us discuss the important supports and resistance level in Bank Nifty for the next week. The first support in the Bank Nifty is placed at 43,504 is the first support in the Bank Nifty. Uh, Below this support, we might see some sort of weakness. Second support is around 43,283, and third support in the Bank Nifty is around 42,796. Whereas on the upside, the first resistance is around 44,058 is the first resistance. Above that, the second resistance is around 44,336, and third resistance for the week is around 44,717. So these are the important supports and resistance level in Bank Nifty for the next week. Looking at the charts, we feel that the trend should remain positive for the next week. So without wasting time, let us discuss the Bank Nifty derivative data or Bank Nifty calls. You will see on the screen the Bank Nifty calls. The action in the Bank Nifty calls was seen in 44,000 calls, then 44,500 calls, and 45,000 calls. Now here you can see there has been a rise in the open interest. Implied volatility is between 9.77 and 10.58. There is a small drop in option premiums. On basis of this particular data, we feel the 44,000 could act as an immediate resistance. If Bank Nifty crosses and closes above those levels, then there are chances that Bank Nifty might rally towards the level of 44,500 to 44,800, and maybe 45,000 in the coming trading sessions. But definitely, the option data, Bank Nifty call option data, seems to be positive at this juncture. So now let us discuss the Bank Nifty put data. In Bank Nifty put, you will see on the screen the action was seen in 44,300, 44,500 puts, 43,500 puts, below that 43,000 puts, and 42,500 puts. Now here you can see there has been a significant drop in option premium. There has been a rise in the open interest. Implied volatility is between 10.13 to 14. Definitely, the implied volatility in the strike price of 42,500 has entered into a slightly danger zone. But looking at the drop in the option premium, we feel that the data is still positive. Strong writing in the Bank Nifty puts seems to be indicating that the trend seems to be positive, but any dips should be used as a buying opportunity. On immediate basis, we feel that 43,500 could act as an immediate support. If it breaks, then only there are chances that Bank Nifty might drift down to the levels of 43,000. But if there is any kind of a weakness, but that should be used as a buying opportunity, because the charts are also showing strength. Both Bank Nifty and Nifty both are moving in a rising channel. Even the global market, specifically the US market, has ended on a positive note. So overall, the global setup is positive. The derivative data is positive. The charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty is positive. So we feel, even though next week is a truncated week because of the festive holiday, the market might remain or trade in a positive trajectory. So before wasting time, we should directly go to the final segment of our show, which is positional call. Have identified one stock from the banking sector. The name of the stock is City Union Bank. So let us go to the chart of the City Union Bank, and we'll try to analyze the chart. What could be the trend for the next week or coming trading sessions or coming months? So this is the daily charts of City Union Bank. So the stock is consolidating. It is making some sort of rounding bottom formation. You will see on the charts at this juncture. Uh, on the charts, you will see that the stock is making a rounding bottom formation, and it is on a verge of a breakout. So you can clearly see this is the chart of City Union Bank. It is on a verge of a breakout. This is the blue horizontal line. It is a major resistance area. You can see on on Thursday, it has taken an attempt to break this resistance area, but on Friday it consolidated. But sooner rather than later, or sooner the stock will break this upward resistance trend line, which is around 145.65. If it breaks, then the stock has potential to test this particular resistance trend line, which is 161, 162. So definitely short-term investors and positional investors, swing traders, can accumulate the stock in the range of 145, and on corrections to 140, for an upside target of 161 to 62 in short to medium term. So definitely the stock is looking good. Again, I would like to repeat that short-term traders, positional traders, investors can accumulate the stock in the range of 142, and on dips to 135, for an upside target of 161 to 162 in short to medium term. So friends, thank you very much for watching the show. Again, I would like to wish you a happy Diwali and a prosperous new year, and have a nice trading week. Thank you.